Hey everyone, this is Ashish Bhatt. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing a keyboard that I've been waiting for so long. Yeah, so just to give you some idea, I've been looking for keyboards from basically a mechanical keyboard from past few months. I've been researching it for quite so long, and now I have found one which I think is best based on what I have seen or read so far. So yeah, let's just unbox it, and then it would be a surprise for you to see which one it is. Let me just try to let me see easy way to open this packing. Maybe from here. Okay, so as you can see here now, this is a Keychron keyboard. Let me just open it up and let's take a look. See, that's the packing. That's how it came. So this is Keychron K3 Pro. I wanted a low profile mechanical keyboard, and I found this one. Let's take a look. What does it say? It says it has low profile switches. This is what I was looking for. It is a 75% layout. So as you can see here, it's a compact, of course. It can work with both with Windows, Mac, Linux. Yeah, since it's a Pro, with Pro you also get the programmable keys, so which means that you can program your keys, keyboard layouts and shortcuts, backlight effects, and much more. As it says, it can be paired up wirelessly or with wires. It can pair up to 3 devices. Battery life up to 1 to 2 weeks when the backlight is disabled. It's not so great, but I think it's good enough. 10 plus light effects to switch from, and this is also hot swappable, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it should be. Okay, so just to give you some idea, I ordered it from the Keychron website during the Black Friday week, and I got it at a price of 106 euros, including the shipping charges, and it took almost like a month to reach here. Okay, so the packing seems pretty solid, and it's also a bit heavier, so let's just try to open it up. Let's not waste much time. Let's see if we can find some. Okay. Okay. I think it's really nice. Take a look. How do we open it up? Okay, let me just try to. Though you can see here it got a bit damaged, the box, but still the box is pretty solid. So just trying to open it up. Okay, looks nice. So we have got, what is this? Oh yeah, and pins with the socket properly, as you can see here. If you are a Windows user, please find the appropriate keycaps in the box, then follow the instructions below to find and replace the following keycaps. This is a warranty card. Yeah, pretty standard stuff, and instructions on how you can change it, configure it. Okay, not interested in that. What else? Okay, so as you can see, this is the tool to basically replace the keycaps if you want to, and this one should be with brown switches. This is what I ordered. I just didn't want to order the red ones or the blue ones. I wanted brown ones. Okay, let me see. Let me open up the it's a bit heavy. The whole body, no, not whole body. I think the borders are made of some kind of metal. I'm not so sure which metal. As you can see here, it has a USB-C port in the middle, which is really nice, and two switches, Bluetooth, off cable, and Windows, Android, Mac, iOS. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, it also has like two settings to incline it. To be honest, this feels pretty premium. I've been using Mac keyboards, like the full length layout ones, from past few years, and they've been serving me well, but yeah, I just wanted to change it. The keys are very nice. Let me try to turn it on. I don't know how, but let me try to find a cable and see. Okay, the left side, here you go. As you can see, it's an RGB backlit keyboard. But just to let you know, guys, this keyboard, or basically the keycaps that you have here, they are not transparent, they are not see-through. So if you have like a complete darkness, you may not be able to see which caps is which, and unless of course you know how to touch type. But yeah, this is not a problem usually, because you generally have like some kind of a light source when you are working. So this sounds nice. Let's take a look at. Okay, so as you can see, it's changing the patterns, the RGB patterns. Oh man, this feels so good. Oh my god, yeah. The sound is so good. Not sure if you guys can hear it, but this is really good. And this is with brown switches. Not sure if you can see it. It has got brown switches. This is really nice. Yeah, this was just the unboxing video. I just wanted to show you guys my new keyboard, and I'm like really excited to use this. Maybe I will put up another video to show you guys after use review, how does it work, and also if I'm fast enough on this keyboard. If you like the video, please click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe if you want to get a notification of when I post a new video. That's it for this video. Have a nice one. Bye.